friends, this is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and multi-cloud platform. Apart from this, I'll give one real-time scenario example for each cloud so that you can easily understand it. And where the public cloud and private cloud and hybrid cloud can be beneficial for a customer, you learn it. Guys, let's get started. Guys, as you can see here, the well-known public cloud providers include Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services. Guys, the public cloud is a cloud computing platform that is open for all customer or clients or users across the globe. Only pay for the services you use, and there is no need to invest in software or hardware like CPU, RAM, hard disks, cable, etc. Guys, in a public cloud, the underlying hardware, software, and infrastructure are owned and managed by the cloud service provider. User access and utilize these resources remotely via internet. The cloud provider is responsible for maintaining and managing the infrastructure, ensuring its availability and security. Guys, as you can see here, a real-time use cases for the public cloud. Let's consider a software startup company that has developed a new web application and wants to quickly deploy and scale it to reach a wide customer base. In this scenario, the company leverages the public cloud for its computing needs. Guys, as you can see here, in this scenario, the startup company got couple of benefits from the public cloud providers like scalability and flexibility and cost efficiency, accessibility and global reach and blah blah. And guys, as a startup company, the customer base grows. The public cloud allows the company to easily scale its resources on cloud. Public cloud service provider virtually unlimited scalability, allowing customer to easily and quickly scale their resources up or down based on their needs. Guys, the flexibility enables the business to handle fluctuation in demand, seasonal spikes, and unexpected growth without investing in additional hardware or infrastructure. Guys, the public cloud service follows a pay as you go pricing model where customer only pay for the resources they use. This eliminates the need for upfront capital investment, reducing ongoing maintenance and operational cost. Guys, the public cloud services are accessible from anywhere within an internet connection, allowing customer to access their application and data from various devices and location. Guys, the cloud provider typically have a multiple data center located in different regions globally and enabling customer to deploy their services closer to their end users, reducing the latency and improving performances. Guys, the public cloud service enable rapid deployment of application and services, reducing the time to market for a new ideas and innovation, and cloud providers offer the vast array of predefined configured services such as databases, analytic tools, machine learning frameworks and more, which customer can leverage without the need for extensive setup or and configuration. This empowers, guys, this empowers the business to experiment and iterate and innovate the business more quickly. I hope so, guys. Now, as you can understand what exactly public cloud and how the what are the benefit got from a startup company using public cloud. Guys, let's discuss about the private cloud. Guys, as you know, the private clouds refers to a cloud computing environment that is dedicated to a single organization. You have privately set up your own infrastructure and own data center. That data center access only for private user. In a private cloud, the organization has full control and ownership over the infrastructure, hardware, software, and resources. Guys, it offers the many of the same benefits as like public cloud services such as scalability, flexibility, and self-service provisioning, but with the add control and security. Guys, private clouds are commonly used by organizations that have stringent security and compliances requirement, deal with sensitive data, have a specific performance need that cannot be met in the public cloud environment. Guys, they provides the benefit of cloud computing while giving organization more control and customization option. Guys, I hope so. Now you can understand what private cloud exactly is it. Guys, let's consider one real-time scenario where the private clouds can be beneficial is in the context of a financial institution that requires, strict data security and compliances. Let's consider an example of ABC financial institution that deals with a sensitive customer information and financial transaction regulatory requirement. In this scenario, guys, as you can see here, the ABC financial institution implement a private cloud infrastructure to ensure data privacy, security, and strict data compliances, and and data protection. Guys, I will explain here how the private cloud can be benefit for the ABC financial institution in this scenario. Guys, as you can see here, the ABC financial institution got a couple of benefits for using the private cloud, like enhance the data security. And guys, the ABC financial institution can maintain the control over its sensitive data by hosting it within a private cloud environment. With a private cloud, organization have greater control over their infrastructure and data. As you know that, guys. And guys, the by deploying a private cloud, the ABC financial institution can implement a specific security controls and practices required by this regulation, ensuring compliances, mitigating the potential legal and financial risk. Guys, the financial institution often require high performance computing and low latency environment for their critical application and trading system. With a private cloud, the ABC financial institution can optimize the infrastructure for this performance sensitive workload, ensuring quick response time and minimal latency. Guys, as you know that low latency refers to the minimal amount of time it takes for data travels between source and its destination in a computer system or a network. Guys, the private cloud enables the organization to have a dedicated resources which can result and in improve the performance and reduce latency compared with the public services. Guys, I hope so. Now you understand. Guys, as you can see here, this is the hybrid cloud, right? Then you think about what is hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is the combination of both private cloud and public cloud. Guys, the hybrid cloud refers to the computing environment that combines the use of both private and public cloud services, allowing organization to leverage and advantages of both models. It enables seamless integration and movement of data, application, and workload between the public and the private cloud environment. In a hybrid cloud setup, organization can choose to host some of their resources and application in a private cloud while others are deployed in a public cloud. The two environments are connected through a secure and encrypted connection and forming the unified infrastructure. Guys, let's consider one real-time use cases for hybrid cloud model so that you can easily understand it. Guys, let's consider one real-time scenario where the hybrid cloud can be beneficial is in the context of unpredictable workload. Guys, you know those popular retail company like Walmart, Amazon, Flipkart, and Best Buy uh, that experienced a significant spike in customer traffic and transaction during the seasonal sales or promotional events. To handle the increased demand, the company employs a hybrid cloud approach. In this scenario, the company maintains its core infrastructure and sensitive customer data in a private cloud environment. This ensures that data security and compliances with regulation and allows the tight control over their critical operation. However, during the peak period of the high customer traffic, the company utilized the public cloud to scale its resources and handle increased workload. It can seamlessly broadcast its application and services to public cloud to accommodate the surge in demand. I hope so guys. Now you can understand how the hybrid cloud approach can be benefit in the retail company in this scenario. Guys, as you can see here, the retail company got a couple of benefits in this scenario using the hybrid cloud approach like scalability, cost optimization, performance, and blah blah. The company scale its resources on demand by utilizing the virtually limited capacity of the public cloud during the peak periods. It means guys the scale up and scale down their resources based on their requirement during the peak period seasonal sale guys then by leveraging the public cloud only when needed, the company avoids the over provisioning its private cloud infrastructure for peak loads. This helps to optimize cost as the company pays for the additional in the public cloud only during those period. Guys, the hybrid cloud enables the company to provide the optimal performance to customer during peak times. The public cloud's scalability and availability to ensure that company applications and services can handle the increased traffic without compromising the responsiveness over the user experience. Guys, the critical data and sensitive operations are remain within the secure private cloud environment, ensuring compliances with data protection regulation and maintaining the highest level of data privacy and security. Guys, I hope so. Now you can understand what hybrid cloud approach can be benefit for the retail company, can seamlessly handle the surge in the customer demand without investing heavily in infrastructure that remains idle during the non-peak periods and peak periods in the seasonal sell times. Guys, now we'll discuss about what is multi-cloud. Guys, finally we'll discuss about the multi-cloud concept. Multi-clouds always include more than one public cloud service which often perform different functions. Guys, the organization use the service from different cloud providers such as Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, IBM Cloud, and more. Each provider offers its often a set of services and feature and pricing model. Guys, the multi-cloud is when an organization uses a cloud computing service from at least two cloud providers to run their application instead of using a single cloud stack. Multi-cloud environments typically include a combination of two or more public clouds, two or more public clouds, or some combination of both. Guys, the managing the multiple cloud environment from different providers introduce complexity in terms of configuration, security, and the monitoring, and organization need to have a proper management tool, processes, and expertise in place of effective operate to monitor, and with they are the multi cloud infrastructure environment. Guys, let's consider a real-time use cases for the multi-cloud, so that you can easily understand the concept of multi-cloud approach can be benefit for the customer in multiple ways. Guys, let's consider one real-time scenario where the multi-cloud can be beneficial in the context of disaster recovery and business continuity. Let's consider a ABC company that heavily relies on its online platform to serve customer and generate revenue. Guys, to ensure the uninterrupted services in the event of a disaster or service disruption, the ABC company adopts a multi-cloud strategy or disaster recovery. A business, in this scenario, the company is set up a primary infrastructure and services in the one cloud provider like Google Cloud Platform. However, to establish the backup and failover environment, it utilized to secondary cloud provider like Amazon Web Services to replicate the critical data and application. Guys, for an example, one cloud provider like GCP, the ABC company can resources use for like that, the computing instance, and that cloud storage and blah blah. But AWS cloud provider, they can use for that another resources and services, and they think like that we have to use the multi-cloud platform, so that the business continuity can work seamlessly in multi-cloud environment. Guys, if a major outage occurs in the primary cloud provider, the company can quickly switch over to the secondary cloud provider to maintain the business continuity. This involves the routing traffic and reconfiguring the necessary resources in the secondary cloud environment. By leveraging the multiple cloud provider, the company ensure that its services remains available to customer even during a significant disruption, like for example, like one cloud provider zones and regions goes down, then nothing worry about the customer access for that, like that web services and application, because other cloud provider are available at that time, so that the business continuity is work seamlessly using for multi-cloud approaches. Guys, as you can see here, the multi-cloud approach can be benefit the ABC company in this scenario like redundancy, flexibility and portability, performance optimization, cost efficiency, and blah blah. Guys, by replicating the critical data and application in a sequence in a separate cloud provider, the company ensure that is a single cloud provider failure does not result in the complete downtime. Right, guys? I hope so now understand. Using multiple cloud provider allows the company to avoid vendor lock-in and easily migrate the workload and data between different clouds. The company can select the most suitable cloud provider for specific workload or geographical regions to ensure the optimal performance and responsiveness. By leveraging the different pricing model, cost structure of multiple cloud provider, the company can optimize the cost, avoid over the reliance on a single provider pricing structure. That is also got benefit by by the ABC company using for multi-cloud approaches. By adopting, guys, the multi-cloud strategy for disaster recovery and business continuity allows the organization to mitigate the risk, maintaining high availability, provide the seamless services to their customer, even during challenging situation and cloud provider outage. Guys, I hope so now you can easily understand the concept of public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud and multi-cloud approach. Guys, based on your requirement for your application, you should follow the in which cloud approach is suitable for your requirement, then you proceed it. Guys, thank you so much for watching this session and have a nice day.